Good afternoon. Welcome to the emisttrade.com recap video for Tuesday, February 1st, 2011, and we are one day closer for winter to be over. And thank goodness, because I know most of the country is either getting socked with snow or getting prepared to get socked with snow. And I know it's been a long winter for some, especially in the Northeast. So just one more round, here it comes. But we are one day closer to spring. But hey, let's get to the charts right away today. Wow, up, and away. I don't know what to say except I did not expect this. Today was a grind higher, a slow grind. And if you did not get on this market right away and you did not buy it up right away, there was very few spots to get involved with this market because of the slow grind nature and also the weak pullbacks on it. But more importantly, what is this market telling us today about this Friday sell-off? Well, this Friday sell-off had a lot of Egyptian worries in it, amongst some maybe some weak news as well, but mostly some Egyptian worry, and that's why we got the sell-off, because there's no reason that we sell off like that and then down to the 62 area and then grind higher up to the 306, or excuse me, the 1306 in just 2 days. That's telling me that a lot of retail's in there buying still. Matter of fact, Matt put a video out today talking about the retail buying and the weak pullbacks. This is a very hard market. Get on over to emisttrade.com. Under the blog, Matt's video is posted. Take a look at that. It's a very good 3-minute video talking about how these markets run and what to be careful on. And I'm going to say something about this as well. As a market, we are in need of a very healthy correction. It would be good for this market to have a correction. If this is truly a really good bull market starting, then we need some pullbacks and some profit taking to allow some other retail traders and wholesale entry folks get involved with this market. But right now, all I see with no pullbacks is a lot of retail coming on board, and that's a dangerous proposition, because the longer that this continues to go in this fashion, the harder it will fall. So we have to be careful with that. Now, let's get to looking at some levels here. Now that we've broken new highs again on the year today, 1306 is the high. We are looking at that 1309 area. I've got a 1309. I got a weekly R2 up there at 1309, and then along with the extension here. But the big one here is up here at 1350. If we get above 1350 and start trading above that level, then there is not a lot of stops in between 1350 and 1400. So we could go up that high. Now, I'm not saying that we are going there, and I'm not going to sit here and predict that we're going to hit 1400, because that's not what I do. I'm just saying that that's a very important area to watch. And if you're long, fortunate to be long right now, then 1350 is a good target for you. That's maybe where you want to get off and let these guys fight to see what direction the market's going to start taking afterwards. If we do start to sell off, look at our areas down below that we saw that we have a lot of congestion down here around that 76 down to the 71 still. Below that, we may have a minor stop at 67, but right now the 63 area, 62 area is definitely going to be the line in the sand on the low end. So with that, guys, let's get over and talk about our trades. We had 3 trades today. 2 ES trades that we scratched on. We didn't want to fight City Hall. Once we got short, we said this market's too strong to the upside, so we got out for break even. And then we caught a NASDAQ trade in the afternoon and just took a small point off of that. We didn't want to hold anything into the evening. We just don't know what this markets are telling us at this point in time. So we're going to sit on the sideline until tomorrow morning. Guys, get over to emisttrade.com. Go ahead and get to the blog and see Matt's video on that. Watch your levels. Tomorrow news is a little light. I thought it was heavier. May have been looking at Thursday. And then, of course, we're going to end the week on unemployment news, so we may start to wait for that news tomorrow, so it may even get slower tomorrow. So be careful out there. Trade well, guys. We'll talk to you then.